Listen, if she's not interested right now, you can't text her into desire. You can't beg her with attention or drown her in compliments and expect her to suddenly miss you. But there's a quiet psychological switch you can flip that makes her start thinking about you without you chasing. Even when she swore she wouldn't. Even when she told her friends you're just a friend. Even when she thought she'd checked all the boxes. I'm going to show you how to flip that switch without begging, without drama, and without losing your dignity. This is not manipulation. It's human wiring. By the end of this, you'll know why she isn't missing you and the exact steps to change that. First, the brutal truth. Picture this. You text, you get left on red. You ask her out, she's busy. Your jokes land like weather updates. You try harder, you become more available. And somehow she becomes colder. That's not because you're not enough. It's because you became predictable and abundant. In a world flooded with attention likes, DMs, sliding into stories, abundance means zero value. Her brain filters out the noise. She's not rejecting you because you're weak. She's ignoring you because you give her no reason to notice. Humans are wired to respond to contrast. We ignore what's common and chase what's scarce. So the first rule is counterintuitive. If you want her to miss you, give less. Pull your attention back. Create absence. That's the paradox. Absence creates curiosity. Step 1. Disappear from the front row. Not angrily, not with petty posts or a dramatic block. Just remove yourself from her daily feed. Stop being the first to like her story. Stop replying to every text. Stop being the backup plan. In today's digital age, your absence will be louder than your presence. Her notifications stop. The pattern she's familiar with becomes incomplete. Humans loathe unfinished patterns. They want closure. That discomfort pulls attention. But don't make the classic mistake. Disappear and then sulk. That ruins the whole point. Your absence only creates value if you're visibly living. Build a life that shows growth. Hit the gym, go out with friends, pick up a new hobby, travel a little, post genuine moments. When she notices you're okay without her, 2 thoughts hit. He's doing fine without me, and who is he spending time with? The second thought is the seed of curiosity, and curiosity grows into missing. Step 2. Use authentic social proof. Share candid moments with friends. Laugh-heavy photos. Short clips where you look engaged and alive. Don't fake it. No staged photos, no actors. Authenticity reads as high status. When other people value you, she recalibrates your worth. Demand breeds value. Step 3. Plant memory triggers. Every connection has tiny anchors. A song, a joke, a phrase, a coffee spot. Subtly use those anchors in your life so she encounters them without you doing anything. When that song plays in a cafe or she scrolls past a meme that echoes an inside joke, you pop into her mind automatically. Nostalgia curiosity is a powerful cocktail. It's the mental shortcut from, oh, that's familiar, to, wait, why am I thinking about him? Step 4. Be intellectually interesting. Most guys rely on charm or compliments. Push her brain instead. Share an idea that makes her think, a cool book suggestion, a weird perspective that flips something she believed. Intellectual stimulation ties you to her mind, not just her emotions. When she misses you, she misses the way you made her see the world differently. Timing matters. This next part separates winners from the impatient. Don't reappear 2 days later. Don't answer immediately when she drops a casual hey. If you used to talk daily, give it 2 to 6 weeks. If it was less frequent, aim toward the longer side. Let the silence do the heavy lifting. When you come back, don't grovel. No explanations, no apologetic texts. Show up with new energy, a small, visible upgrade. More confident posture, new photos that show you improving. A short caption that implies you've been busy building. The silent transformation is louder than any message. When she reaches out, handle it like this. Short, calm, a little playful. Treat it as a question rather than an opportunity to beg. Hey, I've been tied up with some stuff. All good. What's new with you? Then, shift to a suggestive next step that's low pressure and social, a group hang, a short coffee on a weekend. Something that tests interest without offering yourself as an option immediately. If she wants it, she'll make space. If she doesn't, you keep your dignity and your momentum. 2 traps to avoid. Number 1, don't fake the whole thing. If you disappear but your life is empty, it will smell like scarcity. 2, don't play mindless games for the thrill of a chase. This is about building your life so it's magnetic, not about proving you can control someone's feelings. And here's the big mindset shift. You're not doing this to manipulate her into loving you. You're doing this to stop being a background noise in your own life. When you build a life that's fuller and louder than your desire for approval, you become a person who's worth missing. Whether she comes back or not, you win. Because you upgraded yourself. Quick checklist before I go. Pull back, live louder, post authentic proof, plant memory triggers, feed her mind with new ideas, wait long enough, return with higher energy, and respond with calm. That sequence flips indifference into curiosity, curiosity into attention, and attention into genuine interest. If this landed with you, comment the word magnetic below. That tells me you're not here to watch, you're here to level up.